Johnny sells this really neat little tool. Um, it has this little kind of end that fits these little wire hose, and the entire set of them with the handle sells for about 108 bucks plus shipping. Well, I thought that was a little expensive, so I went ahead and made my own. Basically got a handle. This is a rake handle that I got at Home Depot for about $9. And then I got this bit extender. It's a little DeWalt bit extender I got for about, I think it was $11. I got some heavy gauge wire. I don't know, I bought a few bucks worth of that. And then I bought these, basically these little square driver bits. They were about 67 cents a piece. And I bought a little bit of epoxy. And I think all in all I spent maybe $35. And I had a friend help me with the welding on these. We just welded these up with a MIG welder, and then I just hit them with a coat of spray paint to keep them from rusting. And I got myself a set of tools that sells for 108 bucks for, oh, a little less than $35, I think. I thought these would be great for cultivating my peppers, and I was right. I mean, these things get right in here, and you're able to cultivate these pepper pots in just a couple of seconds. And my entire row of 80 plants takes me about 15 minutes, no more than 15 minutes to get this whole thing done. And I'm extremely happy with these things. So I figured I'd just share that for a minute. That was my project this week.